Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to use your Hilton Resort Credit effectively. First, the Hilton Resort Credit is typically part of an American Express Hilton Honors credit card and benefit or part of a special promotion. It applies to eligible purchases made at participating Hilton resorts. This includes things like dining, spa services, and other on-property activities. To use your credit, you will need to stay at one of Hilton's participating resorts. Before booking, make sure the resort you choose is eligible for the resort credit. You can find a list of participating locations on Hilton's website or through your Amex and benefit page. Once you are at the resort, your credit will be automatically applied to eligible charges like dining, spa treatments, golf, and other resort services. Just charge these purchases to your room, and the credit will be applied at checkout. After your stay, review your final bill to make sure the resort credit has been applied correctly. If there's an issue, contact the front desk or Hilton customer service for assistance. And that's it. Using your Hilton Resort credit is super easy and can make your stay even more enjoyable. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips. Thanks for watching.